Hello everyone. Today my topic is naming of constraint. So constraint can be named in the create table command. It means that we can uh, declare the constraint in the create table command. So to give constraint there are two ways to declare constraint. So here here, there are two ways to declare constraint. One is column level and another one is table level. So we have already discussed the constraint, how to declare constraint in the column level in the previous session. So here we have created a table name department. In this department table we have two column, department name and department id. So I've given the primary key in the column level. So this is the example how we use constraint in the column level. So to give the constraint in the table level, this is the example how we use how we give constraint in the table level. So the advantage is that name constraint can be easily deleted or updated using alter table command. So it means that by using alter table command by using constraint we can easily delete it or update it using alter table command. So alter table command is nothing but it is a statement which we can alter the table. So this statement we will discuss in the later session. So a constraint can be named by using the keyword constraint followed by the name of this constraint and to any specification. So to declare the to specify the constraint we have to give keyword constraint in the create statement. So here is the example how we use how we give const how we give by naming constraint in the create statement. So we have three column, department name, department id and number of teacher. So to give this primary to specify primary key in department id by specifying table level, we have to specify this types of constraint in the next line. So we have specified constraint we have specified key constraint in the next line. So this type of constraint is called a table level. So this is the keyword constraint and department pk. So this is what this is not this is a name, and you can specify whatever you want to specify. It's up to you, department pk, or either you can write pk department or whatever you want to write. Whatever you want to specify you can specify, but are not these are the keyword which is fixed. You can't change this name in the you can write const. You have to write the constraint, and I have specified primary key, and inside the bracket I've written the name of column which is department id. And so this department id will be becomes the primary key of this department table. So this is how we specify the table level in the create statement. So this is how we write by giving constraint in the create statement. So there is another example how to give naming constraint in the create statement. So there are four attributes: teacher name, teacher id, department number and subject. To specify the primary key in the next line we have to give keyword constraint and teacher pk. So this is all is this teacher pk is up to you. Whatever you want to write, you can write. So I've given pk teacher pk. So teacher name is the teacher name. I've given teacher because our table name is teacher. So to understand easily, I've given the name teacher pk. So primary key and teacher id. So teacher id is the primary key of this teacher table, and constraint teacher f key foreign key. Inside the bracket I have given department number. So department number is the foreign key of this teacher table. And as I have already discussed, this references department id. So this department number is referring to this department id of the department table. So thank you.